Okay, welcome back. It is day 142 of coding every day. Um, yeah, so I said today was probably gonna be a longer video, and it's just definitely not. It's gonna be like 5 minutes. I'm just gonna do a leak code. Um, Happy Easter, by the way. I pretty much just had spent most of the day with my family. So didn't have much time to record this video. Also just burnt out after this like last week. This last week was a lot, to be honest, with the presentation and just a lot of stuff was due this week. So and then tomorrow I'm gonna be doing a lot with my family again. Helping out. So probably also gonna be a short video tomorrow. But yeah. Fortunately, in the last video I was watching the Lakers game as I'm watching the Golden State games on right now, but and Lakers not a good game. Not a good game at all. So, but hey, Lakers in five still. Lakers in five. Um, anyways, uh, we will just do a leak code and then gonna call it here. So, uh, let's get to it. Um, Also on a keyboard that I usually don't use. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Also have to work on my computer system principles project this week. Actually, no, I think it's due next Tuesday, not this Tuesday. Let's see it easy I haven't done. Oh my God. Add binary square root. Uh, um, Linked list cycle. I think I know how to do this one actually. It's just a two-pointer thing, right? One fast, one slow. What is this? Python 3. Come on now. Okay. So, given head of a linked list, determine if the linked list has a cycle in it. There's a cycle in a linked list if there is some node in a list that can be reached again. Okay, so I saw this at some point beforehand, and it's you just have a fast and you have a slow pointer within the linked list, and you just check if they're ever equal, right? So you have your slow pointer. Wow, typing on a regular keyboard. I haven't done this in a while. Um, so this is just equal to head, right? Heed and fast. Oh my God. Bro, and there's like a double click on this thing. And so what? Is it a while loop? I think it's a while loop, right? And it's like while um well, I guess if there's no loop, right, then it means that there's an end. So if the slow or fast pointer is ever equal to none, we just want to break out, right? So while slow is not none and bro, this space just does not work. And fast. Bro, this space bar is gonna be the end of me. Um, so we want to set slow equal to slow.next, and then fast is equal to fast.next. Because these are just references to head, so it's just a pointer. and one goes two. And so the whole idea is that this one is going, faster by two, this one's going by one. So at some point they'll like link up if there's a loop. Um, and so then you just check if slow is equal to fast. Then we will return true. Okay. And then we'll return false outside the loop. Right? Everything is object has no none. Next type. Fast is equal to fast.next.next. No attribute dot next. Oh, is this fast.next? You want to make sure that there is a next first because then that next will have a right. Yeah. Or shit. Do I have to do while slow is not none? Or wait, can I just do while fast and fast.next? Right? Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Okay. Let me submit this classic mode. Actually, do I have that extension up? No, I do not. Uh, link. Is this called leetcode? Yeah. Hmm. Submit. Beautiful. Okay. So that is all. That is all I have for today. I will be back, like I said, tomorrow with probably another short video because I'm busy pretty much all day, dusk till dawn, dawn till dusk. Yeah, that one. Um, and then yeah, and then I don't know if I'm gonna record when I get back to the apartment or if I'll do it still here. I don't know. We'll see. Okay. Happy Easter again, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.